I should point out that also all conversations are very honest.
Yes.
Yeah. See, I
Everything.
should rate more than 1 point more than you then.
Oh, great.
First thing I should mention, very budget friendly. Seriously, the quality was good and really the classic. Really made my house really valuable. Seriously, the working with you is professional, seamless,
Feel.
very budget friendly.
Very budget friendly. Ma'am, how is the work overall?
Overall, I feel work is professional and on time. Really, I appreciate your support at every throughout the journey,
Thank
at
you so much.
every phase of the work.
Thank you so much.
Really, I'm happy to extend your support to my colleagues, customers, or any of my friends. So seriously, the working with you is professional, seamless, and really made my house really valuable.
Thank you so much, ma'am. How about the quality of the work what we have delivered to you?
Yeah, seriously, the quality was good and really the classic,
Classic. Okay.
which
So,
I liked the most.
thank you, ma'am. And budget wise and all, how do you feel?
Very budget friendly.
Very budget friendly. Okay. Thank you for that
That
point.
is the first thing I should mention. Very budget friendly, professional, and the ultimately work was so good.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. So you're overall you're happy with the WTB India services?
Yes, I'm more than happy.
How because starting we got connected and then
Yeah.
I had to wait for registration.
Yes, yes. You patiently waited for some time till I gave a go ahead or a green signal, and even every point of the journey, I feel very happy and cooperative.
How about my team, ma'am? Team and my
Your team is also seamlessly good.
thank you.
They will suggest the right suggestions at the point when we are confused.
Okay.
Actually, everything was on the faster phase.
Thank you.
Just like that, I said, and it completes.
Yes, it's again trust, ma'am. You
yeah.
trusted and we delivered what
Yeah.
best we can do it.
That's all.
And your whole family is happy with the work.
Yeah. Entirely happy.
Thank you.
I just wanted a classic and traditional, then output was the same.
Same. Yes. Great, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. And
Yeah.
looking forward for future.
Seriously, I had 1 or 2 connections. Definitely, it will come to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, son. Thank you.
You
so
might get the entire home connection with the interior only.
Much. Wow, great.
But you should wait. Same issue with the land and registration.
Sure, ma'am. We'll wait.
Once legal clears only, they will go ahead. No, that is the only point.
Okay.
That's the only
Thank
point.
you so much. And you are also very, in terms
Yeah.
of explanation, in terms of suggestion, when we suggest also, you cooperated very well. And we like clients like you that, who actually understand the situations and how, if we suggest also, you said, okay, Salman, we trust you, let's go ahead. Because that is what we like in the client also. And even for the money part, if I talk about, you are very precise and very much honest with that also. I'm very happy for that.
I should point out that also all conversations are very honest.
Yes.
Yeah, that I forgot to mention, but that is true.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. No, overall, you are very happy with the work. Ma'am.
Yes, seriously. And everyone in this apartment also praised our woodwork.
Wow. Thank you.
That also I should comment. And everyone said our selections are so good, even the finishing is so good.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
As expected.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Looking forward to have
Seriously, he is my closest friend.
Yes.
Once he visits, no, definitely he'll ask.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. And sir is happy? Your
He's more than happy actually.
Oh, great.
He will not be available at home at this moment. So if not, he would have.
Great, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for the feedback.
Yeah.
And kitchen and all you like, ma'am? Kitchen?
Yeah. Seriously, I like
all the kitchen work and what we have given to you.
No. Regarding the quality, I don't have
Color
any
combination.
issue. Everything is good.
Yeah, ma'am. Please. Yeah.
So
we matched your budget. We matched your expectations.
yeah, matched the expectations and budget. That's the best
Main
point.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. And ma'am, you
Being a renovator,
renovation. Yeah.
So bringing to this part to really was a challenge, but it was so good.
Correct. Thank you for trusting us. And also you went through our suggestions for that particular area and not breaking the wall.
Yeah. That is the challenge it would be if I broke. But with that suggestion, now the home looks really good.
Really classy, and there is no problem with the lights.
Yes, yes.
Correct?
Yeah.
Ma'am, we have given you the complimentary baskets.
Yeah, those are also good quality.
Thank you.
Nothing like a complimentary gift. It is like a purchase.
Yes. Correct,
So-
correct.
It's really good.
Quality and ma'am, anything, ma'am, within 1 year, anything happens, you can
Yeah.
tell us, we'll replace for free of cost.
Yes, yes.
That is the best thing about WTBI India. And thank you so much, ma'am. Yeah, thank you guys. So this is the feedback that we got from the Suma ma'am, right? Sushma ma'am. And we're looking forward for more projects from ma'am, and I'm pretty sure that she will give us more projects.
Yeah. Maybe people may ask by looking at your work only.
Correct.
It's nothing that I'm doing generously. It's all about your.
Yes, ma'am, you like this profile designs, profile glasses?
Actually, I liked it.
Yeah.
And it was. It matched so well with this color.
Exactly.
And also,
Sober color you selected.
Yeah.
I mean, the color, no, evergreen, and
Yes.
we won't get bored of it actually.
Yeah, actually, all the colors I choose should be.
One of my favorite color only, ma'am. See, I'm telling you, right? These is my official colors. We call it official because top-notch people use these colors.
Oh.
Yeah, they are these choices. Their choices are like that. We have done a lot of houses, villas, and all. They want to go with like these colors.
Yeah, it gives calmness.
Correct.
Which is required.
And also your granite is so good, ma'am.
This is suggested by your brother Imran only.
How is his mom Imran suggestions and work?
See,
everything?
I should rate more than 1 point more than you then.
Oh, great.
If I rate Imran.
Thank you,
You
ma'am.
should not be jealous.
No, I'm happy. So he supported you all throughout.
Even my tone changes, he will talk in the same pace with the same
Wow.
smile.
Wow.
And that's really
Wow.
appreciable.
He's very client friendly.
Yes.
You meant to say. Yeah,
Yeah.
great. Okay. That is what we want, ma'am. In the end of the day, satisfaction.
See, we will be in stress at some point.
Correct, ma'am.
We may change our tone, but the response he gives, I feel like, why I told like this? I should have told in a better way. Seriously, I should rate 2 points
Extra to Imran.
extra to Imran.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
That's really good of him.
Thank you.
He never took anything.
Personally.
Yeah. He gave the right suggestion at right moment.
Right moment.
And he made the work also really good.
Very good. We also wish you that you buy more houses and give us the project.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, my God bless everybody.
Yes.
Thank you, guys.